Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about derivative. So now I will show you the answer. Before we do first derivative of this one, we can divide s squared over s for s divided by s 5 divided by s. On this way, we can simplify in here. S squared divided by s, you got about s. This one you got about number 4. And this one you got about 5 over s. Now, we need to find first derivative. First derivative of s, you got about number 1. First derivative of number 4, you got about 0. And first derivative of 5 over s, you will got about 5 multiplied with negative 1 over s squared. And then we got the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.